Hi, welcome to Density. This is Advanced Physical Science 1.3a. Density is the relationship between mass and volume. It describes how tightly the atoms are packed together, and it is a physical property. It determines if an object will sink or float. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cubed, so if something has a density less than 1, it will float in water. So on a formula sheet, you want the equation for density. Density is mass divided by volume. Mass then is density times volume, and volume is mass divided by density. So be sure that the variables M is mass in grams and kilograms, V is volume in centimeters cubed and liters. Generally, we'll use centimeters cubed for solid objects and liters for things that would be submerged in liquid. And density is then a mixed unit. Example 1, if the sample of zinc has a mass of 25.4 grams and its volume is 12.3 centimeters cubed, what is the density of the sample? The density is mass divided by volume. Mass given is 25.4 divided by the volume of 12.3 gives us a density of 2.065 grams per centimeter cubed. Remember, we will be rounding to 3 decimal places in this class. So part of your assignment today will be using a simulation. It does have 3 modes, so you do need to be familiar with each one. In the intro to the simulation, everything is given to you. The mass is given generally on the block. The volume can be found by holding the block under the water. The tank has an empty volume of 100 liters. So by putting a block under it, you can actually just subtract to get the volume that the block takes up. Kind of like you getting into a bathtub. You make the water level go up, so does the block. The density then, on the intro anyway, is given to you at the top. So this block has a mass of 2 kilograms and a volume of 5 liters. It has a density of 0.4 kilograms per liter. Under the simulation mystery, though, you have to figure everything out for yourself. You find the mass by putting the block onto the scale. Then you find the volume by putting the block into the water. Hold it down if it doesn't already sink. And then use math. Block A has a mass of 102.08 kilograms and has a volume of 9 liters. The density is the mass divided by the volume to be 11.34 kilograms per liter. Then you use that density table to identify what the block is. This happens to be lead. Today also, you're physically going to be finding the density of cylinders and cubes. This will require finding the mass and the volume by hand. We'll use a digital scale to find the mass and volume equations and measurements to find the volume. Then you'll calculate the densities. Thanks for watching.